What an interesting. Look at the top of the head of that bird. Red and white stripes. And this bird loves dandelions. He's been eating dandelion leaves for a long time. So I don't think he'll be hungry at all this summer. There's plenty of dandelions all around. Isn't that funny? A bird that loves to eat dandelion leaves. Interesting. He's already ate all the leaves to that plant right there. Isn't he interesting? Very different looking. Black and white striped head. The rest of them just brown, long tail. Very interesting head. Look at that. Almost looks like he's got a skunk on top of his head. Oh, he's really going after the plant. Look, look. What's he going to do? Oh my God. Look at that. He's eating the whole thing when the flower is dead. Oh, he's trying to get rid of all that so he can eat just the green. Get rid of the fluff of the old plant. Wow, doesn't it look like a skunk on his head? Interesting looking bird. Kind of a greenish beak. Reddish beak. Does look, see, it's got a lot of red in it. Bright, bright brown or red. It's got a skunk head. What an interesting bird. Oh, he's gone.